Just showing you what I did for the perimeter insulation of this building. 40 by 80 by 12. The garage doors in front. I ran a 1.5" R 7.5 insulation because it fits perfect underneath the grade board. The 2 inches would stick out, so I want it flush with the 1.5", and then I decided to run it across the front of the garage doors like that, so that the heat will keep the garage door free of ice and be nice and clean, so I won't have to worry about freezing up. Now all I'm doing is putting the 2 foot down, 2 foot on the bottom, but I'm doing the inside by running an inside piece like this. As you can see, it's on the inside. I'm going to run that all the way around, and just that will give me R15 break for where the tubes and everything's going to go. So yeah, so digging sucked, but as you can see, that's the inside ones. And with doing it this way, they can use the inside styrofoam as a edge for their concrete. So here's the outside, so it's nice and flush, so there's no overlap water drainage. This piece is just loose because I had to dig the trench for my water line that needs to go down 5 feet, so I'm leaving that one panel loose. We go on the inside, I'll show you guys what it is. So here's the inside. From there to there is 3.5 inches. So with this being level, that's where they're getting concrete's getting top line concrete. So it's all the way around the perimeter. And so now it's double insulation, so I'm getting probably like R15 instead of R10. And this will make the concrete guy's life a lot easier by being able to use the top of the foam board to screed. So underneath the doors, what I did was I just went down and just used the foam board. PL 350 should be. Let's see, it's right here. PL 300 foam board. And then the screws, since they're green treated, I'm using green treated triple coated deck screws, just like that. And then to hold the foam board up, I'm using these. They're washers. They are 3/4 diameter plastic washer, and they fit. They work out great for holding it up. Just sucks it in, and it's nice and hard, so just works nice, neat. Yeah, so then you just backfill, so you can see how it is. So my tubes are going to go 6 inches in the sand, and then 4 inches concrete, so it's going to be 10 inches down, and these are 16 inches. So I'm getting R15, and for the price, one of these boards, they were, if you bought it in bulk, they were only like 14 bucks. So it was cheaper than a 2-inch board, so it was a no-brainer. Figuring out it, I'm gonna save money and get more R value than using the 2-inch. So it's a little bit more work, but it should pan out good because then my concrete's gonna go up against it. There's no way, and then that'll be a true 12-foot height. So hopefully this helps some people so they can see how to do the insulation around the slab. And the garage doors, like I said, I want to leave a gap but create a little thermal break so that it'll melt the snow and ice. But if you don't live in a climate where it's winter, then you might want to do something different. But that's going to be under concrete, and it's going to have a good 3 inches of concrete on top of it. So Well, guys, hopefully this helps you guys out. See ya.